Hi all, welcome back. So today let us see CVC words of short vowel U. Ah, Fun. Playing with friends is always so much fun. Ah, Run. I can run fast in the race. Ah, Hug. I give my teddy bear a big hug. Cub. The tiger cub can jump high. Hut. We build a tiny hut with sticks and leaves. Sun. The bright sun shines in the sky. Tub. I take a bubble bath in the tub. Cut. I cut paper to make colorful craft. Sum. The sum of 2 plus 2 is 4. Bug. I saw a ladybug in the garden. Bye-bye. Thank you.